So, doon tayo sa, alam natin ay meron ng galaw bukas, ang impeachment, ano, Chiki?
Eto, uusad na nga po ang hearing para ma-determine kung sufficient and grounds ba ang dalawang impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay House Justice Committee Chairperson Representative Jervy Luistro sa naging panayam ng programang Storycon ng One News, napabilis ang proseso matapos i-waive ng petitioners ng third at fourth impeachment complaints ang kanilang right to reply. Dagdag pa ni Luistro, posibleng masapina na ang bank records ng bise at desisyonan ang paglipat ng kustodiya ng nagpakilalang dating aide raw ni VP Sara na si Ramil Madriaga. Nasa BJMP kasi ngayon, di ba? Pinag-iisipang ilipat sa House of Representatives.
Okay, so mabuti pakinggan natin yung mga pahayag kaugnay sa proceeding tomorrow.
We need to know the views, opinions of the justice members about the motion to issue subpoena of bank records. We also wish to hear their opinions about the request of Kong Chel Jokno for the transfer of custody of Ramil Madriaga. We need to discuss also our ground rules if we will be using the same ground rules in our hearing proper. Ano pa? We need to seek the authority of the plenary. Justice members are inclined to proceed to the determination of sufficient ground, whether the same exists or otherwise, in our tomorrow's hearing. So that when we start the hearing proper come March 25, no, we will immediately proceed to the presentation of witness and evidence. Justice members are inclined.
Sakyan si Congresswoman.
Ang busy niya siguro.
Oo, lagi. Pero parang ngayon ko lang nakita na gumagalaw yung sasakyan habang nagpapa-interview sa. Usually naka-stop.
So, o baka
So,
traffic.
Gumagalaw-galaw. So anyway, tomorrow we'll be covering that yung mga proceeding sa lower house pa sa One News at 1 PH. So kayo po ay tumutok lang dito sa aming pong mga channels.